This year, we're skipping the bookmarks and the zip pouches. No more stocking stuffers that people just toss to the side. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quilted Magsafe wallet that snaps on the back of any phone and instantly becomes their new everyday favorite. If you want your stocking stuffers to be what everybody talks about, this one's it. It's adorable and it's actually going to get used every single day. All right, so let's get started. So first, I took the pattern and I just cut 2 pieces out on the quilted fabric. You can get these from Amazon. They have like a little 3M sticker on the back, which sticks really well to the fabric, but I'm also going to sew it on just to make it extra secure. So after I cut 2 pieces, I cut one of the pieces in half because those are going to be the little sleeves that you can slide all of your cards into. So I folded the edge back about 1/8 of an inch, and I folded it twice and sewed really close to the fold line. And I did the other pocket the same way. I folded it twice and then I sewed really close to the fold line. And then I just measured to just see where I wanted to place the ring. So I took the sticker off and then I placed it where I wanted it to go. You can use your phone to measure and just see where you want the ring to be so that way it sits perfectly on the back of your phone. Surprisingly, the little 3M sticky stuff was pretty sticky, but what I decided to do was just use my sewing machine and go right across 4 sides really slowly. So I went across the top, the bottom, and then the left and the right sides just a little bit. I just took my time and went really slow and sewed the little magnet onto the back of the wallet. And I'm sewing the magnet onto the side that has the little flap piece. I just went back and forth, back and forth. You could probably do that by hand if you wanted to, but I decided to use the sewing machine to secure it onto the back of the wallet. I was going to put it inside underneath the fabric, but then it wasn't sticking very well, so I decided to just sew it on the outside. And then after sewing the 4 sides, I just went ahead and went all the way around it, and then I went around the inside as well. So I went really slow, even though the video was going fast. I did move very slow on this part. Going around the outside and the inside just secured the 4 sides that I sewed already. And then now I'm going to place the pockets with the right sides facing the outer wallet piece. Stuck some pins in it, and then I'm going to sew all the way around, but I'm going to stop on the side where the flap is not at, and that's where I'm going to add the other piece of the snap when I add the snap for the closure. So I'm just sewing all the way around, and then I'm just going to leave an opening. And then I turned it inside out, pushed out the sides, and pushed out the corners. And then I used my little fabric marker to push out the little flap. I'm going to top stitch it first before I add the snaps. So I stitched all the way around about 1/8 of an inch. And now I'm gonna add the little snap with my hand press. So I made a little hole on the outer piece where the snap is gonna go. And then now I'm just sewing up the hole. Now you can put your cards in it, and that's it, you guys. This little Magsafe wallet is done. It's so cute. So this is the new Magsafe wallet. It just snaps right onto your phone. It doesn't come off. If you want the full girly set, check out the tote bag that I made and the tumbler wallet that goes with this cute little Magsafe wallet. They look perfect together, so I'll drop those tutorials right on screen so you can keep sewing with me. Bye guys.